Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming system compatibility. 64-bit Windows 10, at least 8 GB RAM and 16 GB free. Next, download a Chromium OS image or a Chrome OS recovery image. This is the heart of the system. Then install Rufus or Baelna Etcher on Windows. These tools write the image to a USB drive. Once done, plug in an 8 GB or larger USB, and use the writing tool to create a bootable Chrome OS installer. This step makes your USB a live installer. Now you write the image to the USB. Open Rufus or Etcher, select the Chrome OS image, choose the correct USB, and start. Use DD mode if prompted for raw writes. Next, reboot into BIOS/UEFI, disable Secure Boot if the build isn't signed, or enable Legacy Boot if needed. This ensures the USB boots. Boot the machine from the USB and choose the live session first to test hardware. Make sure Wi-Fi, touchpad, and display work before committing to install. To install, use the on-screen installer or run the provided install script from the live session to flash the internal drive. This replaces Windows if you choose. Once installed, reboot into Chrome OS, sign in with your Google account, and immediately check for system updates and driver support to improve stability. If the device won't boot, make sure Secure Boot is off, recreate the USB with a different tool or mode, and try another Chromium build. These steps resolve most installation failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.